Hey, what's up? This is Drone Pilot Jared coming back at you once again from the outdoor studio. Yeah, it's a little windy out here, but it is a pleasure to be back. I know I've been off the channel for a while. First, I want to start off by saying thank you for all of your support on my journey to writing and becoming an author of Drone Life. So much fun. If you want a copy, it's a good read. You can go pick it up on Amazon right now and Barnes & Noble. Next, I want to talk about Another Load Productions Inc. That's the website up here at the top. You can go check it out. As you can see, I got t-shirts, we got hats and beanies and some other things there. We also have a course that we created. So, well, if you want to become an author like myself, but the main thing is that we are back to talk drones. I'm gonna be giving out some tips. Also, look out for Future of Films. That's Future Films. We got one that's coming out real soon, so check it out. To all my service members out there, thank you for your support. This is kind of what the thumbnail looks like. Drone life, so let's fly.